Find the equation of the line where it's a vertical line and it goes through the point 0, 2. Also, the horizontal line that goes through the point -1, 3. So first you have to remember, what does vertical mean? So down here at the bottom, if I have my axes and I want to draw a vertical line, remember a vertical leap, like for basketball players. You're going to have the line going straight up and down. So for a problem like this, if it looks like this, are we going to have y equals something, or are we going to have x equals something? These are your two special situations. Notice that my line that I drew never touches the y-axis. It does touch the x-axis right there. This is going to be x equals, and then whatever the number may be. So as I look at my problem, I know it's a vertical line, so that's telling me that it's x equals, and then I have to figure out what is my x value of my ordered pair. X comma y. It's always x comma y. So x is 0. So therefore x equals 0. That problem is done. Going to the other side here. Horizontal line. Remember your horizon. You're looking out at the sea, you're enjoying your beach, and you're sitting in the sand with your drink by you and, just relaxing. You look at the horizon, that's straight left and right. Looking at it as a graph, you have your graphing space, and you have the line. That is your horizontal line. So again, just like this one was y or x equals, this one is going to be y equals. So because it's horizontal, I know that it's y equals a number. I just have to figure out which number. So I look at my ordered pair. I have my x, I have my y. What does y equal? 3. That problem is done. It's as easy as that. This is just memorization. Vertical line is x equals. It has an undefined slope. Horizontal line, y equals. It has a 0 slope. Find the equation of the line that is parallel to y equals 5, goes through the point 1, 2. So I'm going to start this out by doing a little sketch of the line y equals 5. You have your axes, and you want y to be 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the y-axis. And it doesn't matter what x is as long as y is 5. So here's my sketch at that point. Now I want this to go through the point 1, 2. So again, if I'm counting by ones, my 1, 2 will be right there. And I want it to be parallel. So that means the same slope, the same direction. So I want my line to be there. So being parallel, that means that I'm going to have the same type of line, same slope, so that means that I'm still going to have that y equals something. But it's not going to be going through y equals 5 anymore. It's going to be going through y equals 2. So my equation is y equals 2. Next, I want to do one that's perpendicular. So again, I have my axes. I have my equation y equals 5, because it's still that same equation. And again, I want it to go through the point 1, 2. So I find my 1, 2. Right there. But this time, I want my line to be perpendicular to this. So perpendicular means at right angles. My perpendicular line is going to be straight up and down. So if it's straight up and down, instead of being y equals a number, it's now going to be x equals a number. So I know that I now have x equals. What is my x value? 1. There is my answer.